G'day. Today's lesson we're going to be looking at the page layout options, or some of them in Word. So as you can see in front of me, we have the page layout ribbon chosen, and there's a few options I'm going to look at. Margins, let's say for instance, for whatever reason you've typed some information and you want to change the margins, which is the border between the edge of the page and where your text is. So you would go here, and let's say I wanted to narrow it, I could do that. I could customize it if for some reason I feel it's too much by going into the customs option, and it'll bring up the page setup window. I can also change the orientation, so I can go to landscape. Let's say I wanted to make my page look similar to how it would appear on the default settings of PowerPoint. I can do that there. I can change the size of my page. Usually it's letter, but maybe I want to print it on legal. I can do it through that. Columns I can switch, which I already have a video on that, so you can check that out. I go into more detail on that. Let's say I wanted to put on a watermark, so I could put on my own, or I could just put one of the standard ones. Page color again. I'm going to press Control Z to get rid of it, but that might be something you want. And then finally, page borders. That's a pretty cool option where, again, I can stick page borders on, or let's say, let's go back to none, that I wanted to do a border around it. Oops. I wanted to put a border around it, so let's say I wanted to put a 3D border. So I have my box, but one of the sides I wanted something different. I could select and select that. And as you can see, I can make it where all of a sudden the border is going to look different depending on what I do on each side. So that's the lesson for today. And again, just some features you have in Word that may help you as you learn the software. Thanks for watching. Later.